This dance starts with weight on your left. It's going to start with a walk forward, right, left, and then a right forward mambo, step back on your right. Then you're going to walk back, left, right, and then a left coaster step. Then you're going to do a V step. And then you're going to step diagonal right, stomp with your left, another diagonal right, stomp, stomp, and diagonal back on your left, touch beside it with your right, step back on your right, touch with your left. Then you're going to do a quarter turn with the left, and then 2 paddle steps for a full half turn, touch beside with your right, and then rock forward on the right, back for a coaster step so that you change your weight to the right foot now, so that you can bring your left heel forward, then right heel forward, left heel forward, bring it back, and stomp. End of dance. Start over again.
8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8.